Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. This is part 6 of Angular integrations. If you have not watched my previous videos on integrations, I will give the links in the description so you can go back to my channel and watch them. So in this video we are going to see how to display charts in Angular by using chart.js. So we will display bar charts and pie charts and donut charts etc. So we will see how to code it. So this is the demo of our integration. So we will see how to integrate this bar chart in Angular. So here I am displaying all the names and the respective score of those particular students in different colors. So we will see how to code it. So I have created a project named e-commerce by using ng new project name. So in this project we are going to app component.ts. So first I am going to run this project. I am going to terminal and we have to do npm start. So if you want to run your project on another port, then if you have other project running in other window, and if you want to run this in another port, then you have to use ngserve hyphen port 4401 or anything. So as of now, I'm running npm start. So if you see here, our project got compiled successfully. Now we will install this command. So I will share this code with you and I will share the link in the description. I'm taking a parallel terminal. So we have to install this command npm install save chart.js. So this command has been installed successfully. So I'm closing this. Now we will import this chart.js in our component.ts, and after that we have to declare these variables. So we have to write all this code in ng1 init. So for that, so this has to implement ng1 init here. So once this is done, you have to paste this code. And in the HTML, we have to paste this. I'm going to share this code in my blog. So all these labels will be shown below the graphs, and all these numbers will be shown on the left corner of the graphs, and these are the background colors. If you want to change, you can change here. So let's see whether it's working or not. So in the browser, we have to go to localhost. So you can see here we got the graph, and we have to mention whether it's bar chart or pie chart or everything in the type here. So here I have mentioned it as bar chart, and I am changing it as pie chart. And if you save that, So you can see here you got a pie chart here. So based on our requirement, we will change the type in this chart. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.